So Remini Baby AI app, what is it? So people are searching for some baby AI generator app because of TikTok. It went viral on TikTok. But basically this is the app you need to look for. It's called Remini AI Photo Enhancer by this developer. Yeah, it's a free app to get. However, to access the cool features, you will need to upgrade. And what this app does on the first look is just, it's AI photo enhancer app. So yeah, you can just, turn your old blurry photos into Georgia's clear HD in just one tap. You can give your grainy, pixelated, damaged, low resolution photos a new lease of life. Um, a lot of different AI filters where you can again like enhance portraits, turn facial photo into high definition, repair old blurry photos, and then use many AI filters. But you can say there are so many apps like this on the App Store. Why is this particular app is going viral? Why? Well, it's just going viral because of one particular filter, which is like a baby filter. So how it works? So basically, first of all, if you're just looking for this app to use this baby filter, let's just start with it. So you need to go to AI Photos tab in the bottom middle, and then just upload 8-12 photos of yourself. You need to follow the instructions. You need to select these good photos like close-up selfies, same subject, variety of backgrounds, expressions, and face angles like this. You can see some bad examples, and then just upload your selfies. And then you need to select your gender. If you're looking for this baby filter, this filter is only available if you're of course like a female or other. If you're a guy and just looking to experiment, you won't be able to see this filter. So you need to select a female option, and then next step, you will be prompted to upgrade because this baby filter is only available while you upgrade. So then you need to select either pro subscription, which is weekly $10, or you need to select light subscription, which is weekly $5, yearly $35. There is no free trial, but yeah. So that's basically that. You need to upgrade, and then you will be able to select among top filters. You can look, and then you can select like baby filter. You will see like the icon with the baby, like with a pregnant lady. So just select that, and what it does, it will generate some photos, so how you would look like if you are pregnant. And that's just one point why this app is just going viral. It's quite unusual filter. There were filters like how would you look like if you're old, if you're young, if you change the color of your hair, like bunch of those filters. But this is quite unusual filter. That's why it's going really viral on TikTok. Millions of views, people just trying out this app. And yeah, so that's the app where you can try it out. However, again, you will need to upgrade to do that. Of course, you can just do a weekly plan, just upgrade for a week if you just want to try this filter and then cancel the subscription. But remember, you can cancel your subscription only through the settings app. If you delete the Remini app, or anything, it won't cancel your subscription, and you will continue to be billed even if you just use this filter once and just forgot about it. So just be careful. Yeah, so that's how you use that. Then you have these AI avatars. This is also quite helpful in this app. What you can do, again, you can just create those, and you can then, for example, create a perfect resume photo or nice avatar for your social media, or for your, Instagram or something. If you can just combine like multiple images, selfies of yourself, and then, you will be able to use that to create a perfect avatar. So yeah, that's what you can do as well. Then that's basically the idea of the app, why it's popular. I did a review of this app like around like 2 years ago. there were like so many features in this app, so many filters, but now it's just much more simplified, and it just focuses on main things you can try. So you can just select watch an ad, for example, and enhance the photo with multiple filters. You can generate AI photos or create AI avatars. So this is like three main tabs. However, they now hidden everything under subscription. I think there was like a freemium option a while ago where you would be able to try some filters for free, and for others you would need to upgrade. Now everything is just hidden under subscription. So that's what it is. Yeah. So there you have it. So hope that is helpful. If you are looking for this particular baby filter, that's how you can get it. I hope it was clear. Feel free to leave other questions in the comments below. Otherwise it's also a really good AI photo enhancer app. It uses some nice filters, and yeah, you can also use it for all these purposes.